Hey guys, Simply Colie here, and today we're going to be doing our Ipsy unbagging. So I will go ahead and take it out. I kind of popped it open a little bit so I wouldn't have to struggle. And I see the other bag in here, which actually smells really bad. It smells pretty bad, you guys. I don't know what it smells like. The bag is really cute though. It's kind of like sort of holographic looking, green, reminds me of mermaids. It's got a little tag that says Ipsy on it, which is cute. The bag is actually pretty cute. I actually kind of do like the bag. So there was nothing in this one aside from the bag, so everything must fit in here. So let's take a look. Okay, so the first thing I will pull out is the card, which is just talking about summer stuff. Who cares? I don't. So the first thing I'm pulling out is a PureHeals Pore Clear Black Charcoal Peel-Off Mask. That sounds fun. I always like getting masks in subscriptions. I think they're so fun. Try this. Ooh. I don't want to squeeze it out. It doesn't smell bad or anything. I mean, it's just coming out black. This looks like a lot of fun. It says, let's see if it has any descriptions on it here. Just says it's a refreshing peel-off mask with a tannin pore complex and charcoal powder that visibly reduce the size of pores and clarifies the skin. Perfection. I definitely need something to reduce the size of my pores. They are no freaking joke. The next thing we'll pull out is this thing, which is a brush from IBY Beauty, which is something I haven't heard of before, but it's a soft looking brush. Looks like fun, good for eyeshadow, packing on the color like that. Awesome, good start. We have two things I'm excited about. Let's pull this thing out, which says lip fondant, half caked, babe tested, vegan approved. Okay, and it says it's in, I guess, the shade Girl Crush. So let's open it and see what that is. I'm going to assume it's a lipstick. I would have to from that name, right? What else could it be? This package is so cute. Like, I don't want to rip it, but I want to open it. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, guys. This looks so cool. This is a beautiful color. I'm so excited. I guess the company is Half Caked, and they have like this donut on the front that reminds me of Homer Simpson, if anyone loves Homer Simpson. The color is Girl Crush. Let's see. Doesn't smell bad. It's got one of those like applicators that kind of has the scoop in the middle, which is fun. I don't mind those. Oh gosh, this color is so pretty. I cannot wait to wear this color, you guys. Oh my god. This is probably one of the best things in the box. And look how big this is. This is a big tube. Okay, next thing. I think there's two more things in here. Okay, so let's pull this thing out, which is an eyeshadow. Everything is like really, really well packaged in this Ipsy too. I feel like sometimes things are just kind of like thrown in there and you don't know like how it survived, but everything here is like really well packaged. I have to say, I'm like really happy about that. So this is from Ella Eden, London. It is a, I guess it's maybe in the shade Harmony. It says Harmony on the back. This is kind of a really cute like eyeshadow container too. Like you could keep this and save this. Like, I don't know. Ooh, it's really soft. I don't know if you guys saw my Ricky's Cult Crushes video, but you can definitely check that above. And I hated the way the eyeshadow sample came. It was just like in tin. I love the way this comes, like just like in a container that you could use. And this color is really pretty. It's so shimmery and it's so soft. I can't wait to test it and see if it works. I'm so excited. So I'm loving this box so far. I'm loving the bag so far. I'm really excited. The last thing in the bag is another box, and this is a, hopefully it's inside. Okay, good. Oh, it's like the box is broken. This is a eyeliner, travel size skinny liquid eyeliner. Awesome. I like that it's travel sized because I don't have a lot of travel sized eyeliners. So this will be great to travel with. And oh, look at that line. Oh my god, that just drew so dark. It's kind of shiny, so it's not matte, but it drew So smooth, so dark. This is a Eyeko London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner. Okay, I love this bag, you guys. Like, the bag itself kind of smells, but I'm thinking that the smell will go away. But I think this bag is amazing. I can't wait to try everything out, to be honest. I think all of this is going to be bomb together. Like, you can use all of these things together in one day. Well, I'm super thrilled. How did you guys feel about your Ipsy? If you get Ipsy, let me know in the comments below. I am like loving this bag. I'm so excited. I can't wait to try everything. So let me know how you feel about yours, and if you think I got like a really good bag, because I really do think I got a good bag. And yeah, so definitely if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you guys wouldn't mind subscribing, that would mean so much to me. I would truly appreciate it. And if you guys want to check out my other social media links below, please do so as well. I also have a blog, which is fun. I'm trying to add more content every day. And I think that's it. So I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!